Last week, here on the Crash Course channel, we announced the first ever Crash Course coins. And the interest in those coins, and in supporting Crash Course's work lowering barriers to learning, has been overwhelming and inspiring. This support is going to allow us to do so much more in the coming years. To everyone who has bought one so far, thank you so much, but all good things come to an end, and so this is the final day that the 2021 Crash Course coins will be available. If you're seeing this video, the coins are still up and available, though as I post this, the numbered $500 ones are very close to selling out. We will be taking this video down along with the sale at midnight tonight. Each Crash Course coin was stamped at a small family-owned mint in Arkansas using hand-etched dies, and each is a token of your impact, allowing us to reach either 2,000 or 10,000 learners. If you want one of these beautiful first-ever Crash Course coins, go to crashcoursecoin.com right now, because when we say we aren't going to make any more of these, we mean we are literally destroying the hand-etched dies that we used to stamp them. Our hope is that this becomes a tradition, something that we do every year, and so if you want the full collection, this is your last chance. And no matter how you interface with our content, whether you're able to buy a coin or not, thank you so much for being a part of what we do.